As part of the marketing function, I've been looking at a solution for video marketing. Working together with AVP has been pleasant, a very high willingness to get the best quality out of the video. My name is Thomas Verbist. I am Business Development Manager at Esprit Automation. I've been looking at a solution, essentially a way to bring our products to our customers when they cannot come and visit our factory. YouTube is a perfect example for that, as well as Facebook, where we do advertisement. And as a partner, we have been working with AVP for quite some time now. We started in 2018, so about 3 years ago now, where we started to make separate videos of our different models, our different machine models. So the machinery that we make is industrial cutting equipment. So there's lots of flames and sparks, and we really needed a dedicated partner to make more and more videos for us. And as we grew and as we made more videos, we saw that we got more and more views. And so, because on one side there's making the video, on the other side there's actually also doing the editing and going the extra mile, and that's definitely something that with the team from AVP we've seen. One thing that I really liked about the videos is it's something that as a viewer you don't immediately see. It's the extra work that Brett put into our Photon 5G video. AVP has been able to really uplift the quality of videos that they've produced for us, and that just makes a difference. And it's that difference that took hours and hours and hours of extra work, and that's particularly something I like about Brett and AVP. Whether you are looking for a product video, or whether you're looking for a video that encompasses an event or even some kind of a testimonial, I can highly recommend Brett and AVP, because they have been really amazing for ourselves, and from our point of view we're going to stick with them for our future videos.